So I am just giving a little review on the Shinebot here. I actually had two of these previous to this one, and both of them strangely had a little error, and it said that check clean water tank, and the error was actually being caused by the fact that my water was too clean. I have reverse osmosis. So if you get that error, it could be that you need to add some sort of cleaning solution, or you just need to add regular tap water. If it's full and it's throwing that error, that's probably what's going on.
So we got two robots now going at one time. We got the mopping one and the vacuuming one, which I've had for a while. So this will be interesting. Just glad I don't have to do it myself since my whole floor is tile. Happy Thanksgiving!
Look how dirty my room is, because Texas, you can see, comes in here. Now, let me show you something that I got for myself, because I am not gonna mop no more. It's a robot. He cleans, he mops. See? He mops. And he sucks up the water and leaves it nice and clean. There you go. Where are you? Come here. I love them. Especially because I don't have to mop. Bye. This is my Valentine's gift that Dad bought for me.